Hi everyone, welcome to Coach Calculus channel. This is a channel that is concerned about your success in mathematics. So in this video, we'll be looking at addition and subtraction in binary, that is base 2. So we'll be considering the following questions. We'll evaluate the following in base 2. So this we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So follow me step by step as I walk you through on how you can resolve problems like this. Make sure you follow to the end of the video. And if this is your first time coming across this channel, make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that when next I drop videos in the future, you will easily locate this channel when next you are looking for solution to your mathematical problems. Okay, without wasting much of our time, let's continue. So this particular number one, we have let's start step by step. We have 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1, that is 10. 10 plus 1, 11. So I'm going to write 1 here. I'll write 1 here and bring down the 1 because I got 11 here. That I'll write down 1 and take 1 to this side. 1 plus 1, that is 10. 10 plus 1, 10 plus 1, that is 11. I'll write 1 again. Then move the other one to here. 1 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 0, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 11. I'll still write 1 and take 1 up here. 1 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. I'll write 1 again. 1. And then bring the other one here. 1 plus 1, that is 10. So I'll write down my 10 here. 0. First of all, I'll write down 0. Then put down 0, 1. That is 10. So this value plus this is what? 10111 base 2. Base 2. So for the number 2, we have 1 plus 1 is 10. So I'll write 0. I'll write 0 and bring 1 to this side. 1 plus the 1 plus this one. 1 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. So I'll write 1 and bring 1 to this side. 1 added to this one, that is 10. 10. So I'll write 0. I'll write 0 and bring 1 here. 1 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. So I'll write 1 and take 1 to this side. 1 plus 1, that is 10. 10. I'll write down 0 and bring 1 to this side. 1 plus 1, which is 10 again. So I'll write down everything here now. So for the number 3, this one is quite little different. It's a kind of little bit difficult, but I'll walk you through on how you can go about this. Make sure you stick to the very end of the video. Also subscribe to always have solution to your mathematical problems. Coach Calculus cares about you. Okay, let's continue. Now 0 minus 1 is impossible. 0 minus 1 is impossible. So what we are going to do is we'll borrow 1 from this one here. We're going to borrow 1 from here. Now if we remove 1 from here will remain 0. And since we are working in base 2, let me indicate it here. Since we are working in base 2, which is the binary we spoke about, so what we are going to do, once if I remove 1 from this one here, that one now is automatically 2 when it is arriving here. So 1 that I remove from here now is not 2 here. Why? We are working in base 2. It is not automatically 2. No, it's automatically 2. So from that 2, I'm still going to remove 1 from the 2 again. So here will remain 1. And then the one I removed from the 2, I'll bring it down to this side. And that one I removed from here, getting to this side, it is also 2, automatically 2. So from the 2, I'm still going to remove 1 again. So if I remove 1 from the 2, here will remain 1. And then I'll take that one to this side. That one now is also 2, equivalent to 2. And adding it to this one here, that is 3. From the 3, I'll remove 1. So here will remain 2. So here will remain 2. And then the one I remove from the 3, I'm bringing it down to this side. That one is 2. And this 2, when you convert it to binary system, it is equivalent to 10. So 10 minus 1, which is 1. 10 minus 1 is 1, or in decimal, if you say 2 minus 1 is still 1. But we are working in base 2. So this 2 now is equivalent to 10 in binary. So 10 minus 1 is 1. And here also we have 2, which is 10 in binary. 10 minus 1 is still 1. 10 minus 1 is 1. 1 minus 0 will give us 1. 1 minus 0 will give us 1. 1 minus 1 will give us 0. Then here, remember we removed 1 from this side previously. So what is left there is 0. 0 minus nothing. So what is remaining here will be left empty. So our answer is 111 base 2. Base 2. And finally, the number 4. Let me indicate the base also. The number 4, we have 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 minus 0 will give us 0. 0 minus 1 is impossible. So what I'm going to do is I'll borrow 1 from this one here. If I remove 1 that is here is remaining 0. Then that one that I remove from there, on getting to this side, it is equivalent to 2. So 2 plus 1, that is 3. 2 plus 1, that is 3. Or we can also, but no, in order not to confuse you, let's do it in decimal system. That one I remove from there. On getting to this side, it is equivalent to 2. 2 plus 1 here, that is 3. Now from that 3, I'm going to remove 1. So here will remain 2. Then the one I removed, on getting to this side, is equivalent to 2. 2 plus 0 is still 2. So I'm still going to remove 1 from the 2. So here will remain 1. Then the one I remove from the 2, I'll bring it here, which is equivalent to 2, because we are working in base 2. So it is equivalent to 2. That 2 plus this one, that is 3. That is 3. So from the 3, I'm still going to remove 1 again. So here will remain 2. Remove 1 from 3, it will remain 3. Remove 1 from the 3, it will remain 2. That one I remove from the 3 now, I'll bring it here. So the one I remove from this 3 here, on getting to this side, it is also equivalent to 2. So now we can do 2 minus 1. That will give us 1. Or 2 in binary, 2 is in decimal system. So in binary, 2 is equivalent to 10. 10 minus 1 is 1. Here also 2 minus 1 is 1. Or 10 in binary system minus 1, that is 1. 1 minus 1, that will give us 0. 1 minus 1 will give us 0. Here we have 2. Okay, we are left with 2 in this place here. Remember, 2 in binary system is 10. So there is nothing to subtract it from here. So what I'll do, I'll write the 10 here, which is 1 0 1 0. So our final answer is this value in base 2. So these are the tricks in calculating in binary system. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure you do well to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that when next you are looking for solution to your mathematical problems, you can easily locate it again. Thanks.